Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. "'Tis some visitor," I muttered, tapping at my chamber door, only this, and nothing more. Ah, distinctly I remember it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrought its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow. Vainly I had sought to borrow from my books surcease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels name Lenore, nameless here forevermore. And the silken, sad, uncertain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before, so that now, to still the beating of my heart, I stood repeating, "'Tis some visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door, some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more."
Jellied spiders, yes, here we are. Evaporated bat's blood, or do you prefer dehydrated?
I don't care.
Well,
What a night. What a night.
oh dear.
What is it now?
Dead man's hair.
What about it?
We're out of it.
Well, go get some more then.
It is so easy to commit embarrassing blunders, but etiquette tells us just what is expected of us and guards us from all humiliation and discomfort.
I now observed, with what horror it is needless to say, that its lower extremity was a crescent of glittering steel, about a foot in length from horn to horn, the horns upward, and the under edge evidently as keen as that of a razor, and it hissed as it swung through the air, inch by inch.
"Who's there?" I weakly uttered, as the doorbell buzzed and sputtered. Next a ghostly voice then muttered,
"It's a candygram from Lenore."
"Lenore?"
There's something new from gay Paris.
But now there came from out the niche a low laugh that erected the hairs upon the back of my neck. A very good joke indeed, an excellent jest. We will have many a rich laugh about it at the palazzo, over our wine. The Amontillado. Yes, the Amontillado.
Hello, I'm Butch. Hey, dishy hair. Can't wait to get my hands on it.
Nation shall not lift up sword against nation, neither shall they learn war anymore. Come near, ye nations, to hear, and hearken, ye people. Let the earth hear, and all that is therein. For the indignation of the Lord is upon all nations, and his fury upon all their armies. He shall utterly destroy them.
But the agony of my soul found vent in one long, loud, and final scream of despair.
Is there no morality left in this world?
It is quite obvious that you do not understand me, and in all probability you never will.